Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your AC remote has stopped working. I have a Hitachi AC remote right here, but the fix will work for other remotes as well. So as you can see here, the remote is powered on, the display is on, it's showing the temperature, the mode, and the fan speed. But no matter what button I press, it will not have any effect. The remote is kind of frozen or hung up. Even if I press on, off, or the fan button, nothing really happens. The fix for this is really simple. The reason why it's acting this way, it's because it's kind of hung up. The remote might have fallen, or when you have multiple air conditioners of the same brand, the remote's functioning can interfere with the different air conditioning units, so that can cause it to be hung up sometimes. All you need to do for this is remove the battery back cover, take off the batteries. As you can see, if you take off the battery, just one as well, the display still stays on for a while, so you need to wait for the display to go off completely. You can take out the other battery as well, but as you can see in my case, even if one battery is inserted, the remote is now completely off. And at this point you can go ahead and insert the battery back into the battery compartment and close the lid, and now you can see the remote is back on. I can change the mode and adjust the temperature as well. So that's how easy it is to fix your remote. If this fix did not work for you, you can try replacing the batteries, and if not, I have a link for a spare remote that you can buy for your Hitachi AC, and the link will take you to the product page. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know your feedback of fixing your AC remotes in the comments below. Do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.